Okay, ladies, this is the wig. This is the one that is about to make all of your fall photos look like a Pinterest board. Who was going to tell y'all that those square hairlines is not one size fits all? If you have a round hairline and a low hairline like mine with a widow's peak, this new Lagos hairline is going to change everything for you. This hairline is an exact match to our natural hairlines. So it's giving natural hair, which I love. The hairline features RPGSHOW's brand new Lagos hairline, which y'all need to get y'all hands on today. The knots have been deep bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. Moving on to styling, I'm grabbing my hair wax stick. I'm going to smooth that product onto the hairline and then use my comb to comb that product through. Then grab my pressing comb and then just smooth all of the hairs into the direction that I want them to go into. And this is giving you a better view of how flawless this hairline is. Flat ironing it and then adding a light bump at the ends. How do you feel about the new Lagos hairline? Have you ever tried it? What are your thoughts on it? Let's chat everything this hairline in the comment section. And I'm going to carefully cut right in front of the hairline, following the natural curvature. It's really like magic how this lace just melted into my skin with no glue tape or gel. Like, look at that. That looks like it's growing out of my scalp. That looks like my own natural hairline. It's scary, scary good. That's what this wig is. Scary good. Like, oh my goodness. So I did do a middle part and then I decided to do a side part, or like a flip over, so you guys can see it in two different hairstyles. Let me know which one was your favorite.